Hello and welcome to IUPUI University Library. You can find us at ulib.iupui.edu or in 1IU by searching for IUPUI University Library. On our website, you will find a list of subject librarians under Guides. There is one of us for each major, but if you do not yet have a major, you can contact the librarian who is responsible for English. You can also contact the library for general help by phone, email, text, and chat. This is the first of 3 tutorials for English W130 EAP. Today I'm going to talk with you about words and keywords. Keywords are words that you use to search for information for your research projects. When doing library research, we have to start with ideas. We translate our ideas into words so that we can search for information about them. You may have an idea for a research project based on your own interests, or your instructor might give you a topic. For example, your instructor might ask you to find information about mosquitoes that carry diseases. If your instructor assigns you a research topic that you are not very familiar with, it is always a good idea to do some background reading online. Finding out more about your topic is a great way to learn new words to use when you do research using the library catalog and databases. Start with the words you know and search Google or Wikipedia to find background information about the topic. Keep a list of new words you discover. If the words you use to describe your ideas are in a language other than English, you can easily translate them using an online translator. However, many online translators provide incorrect translations or translations that are of poor quality. Double-check a translated word by searching for it in Google or Wikipedia to verify that it finds relevant information. The library also has language dictionaries that you can use. Be careful how you use Google and Wikipedia for research. You can use these websites to get ideas and to learn new words, but you usually should not use Wikipedia or websites found through Google in your research projects. We will talk about how to evaluate which information is good in another short tutorial. Now that you have a list of words to describe your topic, you are ready to use them as keywords in searching a library, database, or catalog. When a librarian or an instructor tells you to search using keywords, they want you to type the words related to your topic into a search box. Sometimes we call keywords search terms. Library databases contain mostly articles from newspapers, magazines, and journals. IUCAT, the library catalog, has books, ebooks, journals, films, and sound recordings. To do a search in a library database, start at the library website, ulib.iupui.edu. Scroll down the page and click on the Databases icon. On the A page, look for Academic Search Premier and click on it. Now, type in some of your words and click Search. You should get some results. If not, try a new search with different words. When you have some results, pay attention to the source types. These are different containers of information. In another tutorial, I will talk about how the containers of information, like a journal or a magazine, can affect the quality of the information. During your first searches, pay close attention to the results that you get. Are there any similar or related words to your keywords? Keep track of those similar words so that you can use them in your next searches. Add the new words to the list you already started. Why should you do this? Because sometimes scholars use formal or academic words to describe ideas instead of commonly used words. An example of this is using scientific names for animals, like feline, instead of the commonly used word cat. This is important because if you use the scientific or academic words, you are more likely to find scientific and academic information instead of information that is written for the general public. Scientific and academic information is usually more appropriate to use for research than general information. Now that you have done some searches using your keywords and the new words you discovered, you are ready to find some information about your research topic. Researching a topic requires you to do many searches with different words in different places, like in several databases and IUCAT. When you find articles, you should save time by reading the abstract or summary of an article. The abstract can help you decide if the article is relevant to your topic, so that you do not have to read the entire article. Research is a process that takes time, but it can be fun and rewarding when you find good information that you need. Please watch the next 2 tutorials to learn about how information is packaged in containers and cited, and how to evaluate information to know that it is good.